Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add BritBox to your Amazon Fire TV stick, step by step in a clear and easy way. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to start streaming British TV shows and movies in just a few minutes. First, make sure your Fire Stick is properly set up and connected to the internet. Turn on your TV, plug in your Fire TV stick, and confirm that you're signed in with your Amazon account. Step 1. From the Fire TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the Find option in the top menu, then select Search. Using the on-screen keyboard or voice search, type BritBox. Step 2. When BritBox appears in the search results, select the BritBox app. You'll be taken to the app's details page, where you can see information about the service. Step 3. Select Download or Get to install the BritBox app on your Fire Stick. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs. This usually takes less than a minute, depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch BritBox. You can also find the app later under Your Apps and Channels on the Fire TV home screen. Step 5. When the BritBox app opens, you'll be asked to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have a BritBox account, sign in using your email and password. If you're new to BritBox, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account and activate your subscription. After signing in, your Fire Stick may display an activation code. If prompted, go to the BritBox activation page on your phone or computer, enter the code shown on your TV, and confirm. Your Fire Stick will automatically refresh once activation is complete. That's it! You can now browse and enjoy BritBox content on your Fire TV stick, including popular British dramas, comedies, and documentaries. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow streaming and tech guides.